Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Dota 2 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will need to have the Steam application installed. If you don't already have this, you will need to go to store.steampower.com and download the Steam application. Once the Steam application is installed into your system, just open it up and log into your Steam account. Then you can click on the search button and just type in Dota 2 and start your search. Once you find the Dota 2 game, scroll down and then click on the Add to Library button. You can then click on the Play Now or the Play Game button, and now just choose where you want the game to be installed. Then click on the Install button, and now this will begin the download and installation of the Dota 2 game on your device. You can click on the Download tab in order to see the download progress. Now, since it is a pretty large file, you will need to wait a while until the download is completed. Once it has been done, you will see the game within your library and you will simply be able to click on it to open it up. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Dota 2 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.